United by water, driven by progress. We stand, a force of nature, a tide of change. From the ebb and flow of our shared waters, we draw strength, unity and purpose. United, a maritime nation, our ports keep Britain trading. With each wave, we help feed the nation, warm homes and drive the economy forward. Bound together, at ABP, we chart a course towards a sustainable future. As one, we are enabling the clean energy transition, propelling us towards new horizons and new possibilities. In the solidarity of our partnerships, we find resilience. In the depths of our determination, we discover innovation. Together, we defy adversity, knowing it only fuels our resolve. Together, we protect one another, knowing loved ones await with the "I'm on my way home" call. United in our ambition, we leave a wake of transformation, inspiring new generations to join our cause. And with each step forward, we celebrate our shared success. Together, we embrace diversity and sustainability, knowing that in our unity lies our greatest strength. United by water, we are ABP.